Hello, my
We are the
beautiful
music
people.
makers, and
Welcome
we
back
are the
to my
dreamers of
channel. Hello, hi my subscribers, my returning subscribers, those who are yet to subscribe, who hopefully soon will be subscribing. Hello to you all. I missed you all. I'm back again. So today I've got this recipe that is one of my kids' favorites. It's Ogbono Okro Soup. So I thought I'll share this recipe with you. Maybe for those of you who have kids who are fussy, they will like this recipe. So I thought I was recording right from the start. How I started, preparing the meat, but no, I didn't record it. So I just started from where the meat was already being cooked. And then here you saw me adding the stockfish and the smoked turkey. I'm sure by now you guys are still used to seeing me use smoked turkey and smoked fish in my recipes. Those two I cannot do without, literally, in my kitchen. So I've just added the smoked turkey. I'm gonna let this cook for a 4 to 5 minutes before I introduce the ogbono. And here you are, that's the palm oil and the ogbono. Ogbono is called wild mango fruits. For those of you who know this fruit, it's used to cook soup. So I blended the ogbono and I added it to the palm oil. Now I'm gonna let it steam up. So like a palm marine, it's gonna eat up the ogbono and the oil and then melt it. I make sure it is well covered, that no water comes in contact with that mixture. And after 5 minutes, I checked on it. It was good to go. So I took it out from the pot, kept that aside for a few minutes before introducing it back to the pot. So yeah, you see me removing it, and I'm gonna wait for a few minutes before I introduce it. But first, I'm gonna add the chopped pepper. That's Scotch bonnet, totally optional. Some people use dried pepper. I like to use Scotch bonnet because it gives it that lovely flavor, and also I like to see little bit chunks of pepper when I'm eating the soup. So that's it. I'm gonna let this cook for a few minutes before I introduce the next item. Please keep watching. So now it's time to introduce the smoked fish. And after the smoked fish, I'm gonna introduce the blended or ground crayfish. Are you still considering, contemplating, should I subscribe or not? Please wait no further. Please subscribe and join the family. We want to have you join us. Please don't hesitate anymore. Join us. We'll be happy to have you in this family. So now next, I'm gonna add the mixture of palm oil and ogbono. Then I'm gonna give it a good stir. after stirring, we're gonna add some more water because this is gonna thicken up, and you don't want it that thick. We're gonna add some more water, so keep watching. Lest I forget, for a full list of ingredients, can you please refer to the description box, and then you will see the full list of items. I didn't bother doing that because I wasn't unable to, start this recording from the very beginning because I thought I was recording. I wasn't actually. So apologies for that, but please see the description box and you can, get the full list. So yeah, the soup is coming up nicely, and you can see now I've just added the okra. Unfortunately, I couldn't find fresh okra on that day, so I had frozen ones that I had in the freezer. I had to bring it out and use it. Unfortunately, it wasn't looking as beautiful as the fresh one, but it still served the same purpose. So it didn't change nothing. It tasted just the same way, and honestly it turned out the same way. So yeah, you see, I'm just giving it a good stir, and the soup is looking amazing. I tell you what, my kids love this soup so much. They couldn't wait for me to finish preparing it, and I was amazed at how much they ate from the soup. So please give this soup a try, and I assure you, you will not be disappointed one bit. All right. So guys, we're almost coming to the end of this recipe. The soup is already done. It's ready. Just stirring it, getting it prepared for the demolition. You know what I mean. So guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. That means a lot to me. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up also. Okay, there you go. The soup is ready, all done, looking so tasty and so yummy and scrumptious. We're just gonna deal with business now. Deal with the business. Anyway guys, I'll see you soon in next one. I love you loads. Stay out of trouble, and God bless. Bye for now.